Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install the software for Berkeley DB 4.8. And if you install this maybe on Ubuntu or Linux Mint, you may run into a problem when you try to make it. So we're going to walk through this. So the first thing we need to do is cd into the following directory here. Now, I'll throw a link in the description on my website for this stuff, but we need to run sudo. We'll let that download. Then we'll tar it with sudo. Then what we need to do is cd into this guy. Then for my situation, we're going to run the following big command here. Now obviously it's coming up showing no directory. Well, actually, that's right, because I forgot to cd into the following here. So now that we're CD'd into that, we can run this guy, but we need sudo again. So after this, we're going to do a make, then a make install, but we're going to run into a problem, and we need to edit a few things in order to make this work. So I'll let this run, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that that's done, let me clear the screen here, come down. Then we're going to do a sudo make. Then we'll let this run, and this is where the error happens, but it'll take a few minutes, and I'm just going to pause the video. Alright, so as you can see, here's the error that we're seeing. So if you get this error when you're trying to build this, I'll show you how to fix it. So we'll clear the screen here. Alright, so now what we need to do is we need to go back a directory. And if we do an ls, as you can see, we need to get into this directory right here. So if we now that we're in there, we'll clear that guy. So now if we do another ls, we need to get into the atomic.h. So we're just going to do a sudo nano atomic.h, enter. Then we're going to do a control underscore on Windows, command underscore, or dash, I mean, for Mac. And we're going to do line 147. Then all we need to do is we're just going to tab over here. And all we need to do is do underscore, which I guess that was right when I said about an underscore. Underscore DB. That's that one. So now we're going to do the same thing. Control underscore. We need to go to line 179. And with this one, we need to do the same thing. Underscore DB. Then all we need to do is do a control X, Y, and enter. And that fixed the problem. So now what we can do is get back out of that directory. And we need to get back in the directory that we were in, which was the build Unix. So now if we go back and let this run again, I'll be back. Alright, so now that we ran it again, we didn't get the error message. So now what we can do is just do a sudo make install and let that run. And there you have it. So that's how you can fix the issue. Now, if you're installing this somewhere in a different location, whatever, you'll probably maybe run into the same issue. I built this on my Raspberry Pi using the same method, and it didn't give me the error message running Raspbian. So it might only happen on Linux Mint and Ubuntu or maybe some others. So hopefully this kind of helps out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe.